In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut audio in Adobe After Effects. We'll walk through the simplest ways to cut and trim your audio so you can line it up perfectly with your visuals, remove unwanted parts, or rearrange sections for better timing. I'll keep things straightforward and you can follow along in your own project. First, make sure you have your project open in After Effects and you're inside the main composition where your audio lives. In the timeline, look for your audio layer. It might be a music track, a voiceover, or sound effects, but it will usually have a little waveform icon and show the audio file name. If you don't see the full timeline clearly, you can zoom in a bit at the bottom to make your cuts more precise. The most common way to cut audio in After Effects is by splitting the audio layer. Start by clicking once on the audio layer to select it. You should see it highlighted in the timeline. Now move the playhead or current time indicator to the exact point where you want to make your cut. You can drag it along the timeline or use the arrow keys on your keyboard for more precise positioning, and you can play back around that point to double check. Once you're happy with the position, use the shortcut to split the layer. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus D. As soon as you do that, After Effects will cut the audio into two separate layers at the playhead. You'll see your original audio layer become two pieces, one ending at the cut and one starting right after. From here, you have a few options. You can select one of the new audio layers and hit delete if you want to remove that section completely. You can also drag one of the pieces later in the timeline to rearrange your audio, which is useful if you want to change the order of parts of a voiceover or shift a sound effect. And if you're planning transitions, you can overlap the ends slightly and then add fades or other effects to smooth things out. If you don't need a hard cut and just want to shorten the audio instead, you can trim the layer. Hover your mouse over either the beginning or the end of the audio layer in the timeline. When your cursor changes to a bracket icon, click and drag inward to trim. This effectively hides the part of the audio you don't want without splitting it into multiple layers, and that's it. By splitting and trimming your audio layers, you can quickly clean up, tighten, and customize your sound directly inside Adobe After Effects.